Poor pears, they don't get any love. Apples get all the glory while pears have to watch from the sidelines. We regularly see apple pies, apple fritters, apple tarts, but pears get left out. But not today. I'll show you how I took those pears along with some strawberry sauce, some pineapple caramel sauce, and paired them with a super creamy cheesecake to make an amazing pear cheesecake. Let's get to it. I start off by making a super creamy cheesecake that doesn't require a water bath and it doesn't crack. It's very easy to make and doesn't require a lot of ingredients. It's a common misconception that cheesecake is difficult to make, but that's really not the case at all. In fact, it's one of the easiest desserts to make. You can literally dump a handful of ingredients into a mixing bowl, bake it, and get a dessert. See? Easy. The crust is made of walnuts and graham crackers and it is absolutely amazing. Step-by-step instructions for the cheesecake and the crust are upcoming, so stay tuned for that. You see, it's done, there are no cracks, and I didn't have to deal with a fussy water bath. Next, I sliced up the pears and I'm going to cook them over medium heat until softened, somewhat similar to making fried apples. Now I'm going to add some sugar and some vanilla extract. The vanilla smells good, by the way. And I'm going to add a little bit of water to help them steam in order to cook faster. I'll cover the lid and will periodically turn them. I'm adding a little bit of butter for extra flavor and creaminess. This is something I could have done in the beginning, but the timing won't make a difference to the end result. Now it's finally time to put all this together. When I thought of this recipe, I thought that the strawberry sauce and the pineapple caramel sauce would completely overpower the pears, but that wasn't the case at all. The flavors paired very well with the pears. If you want to know how to make the cheesecake, strawberry sauce, and pineapple caramel sauce, then be sure to click the video links on your screen for step-by-step instructions.